Okay, let's talk about scale here for a second here, all right? If you notice here, what I'm doing, I'm looking at giving you some sample solution here to yesterday. Uh, some of you use the letter A, and you may not have drawn it quite to scale. If it's to scale, certain things are going to match. For example, if we look at mine here, right? I'm just changing my point here, right? If we have my A here, it's 4 units across, 4 units tall. I'm able to pick points. 4 units across, 4 units tall. So if I'm going to use a scale of 1 to 2, where I'm essentially doubling everything, well then from here to here is 8 units. This is where I talk about matching the background grid. And my height is 8 units. And this, which was my line going across, which was 2 units high, is now 4 units high. It was 2 from the top, is now 4 from the top. And that's why I talk about scale. I mean, it's just matching, it's just doubling in size. Let's go to the next one. For those of you who try to get tricky, trying to show off, it's like, hey, look at me, I got a pentagon here. Well, some of you will just go on and say, hey, 3 units, 3 units, 3 units, 3 units, 3 units, and 6 units, 6 units, 6 units. Essentially, without it being kind of like lined up on the grids itself, it's kind of hard to say that, yeah, you got it just right. And so what I did here is I'm showing you key measurements that you can use to make sure that you're doubling it and maintaining scale. Here I'm 3 units across on my bottom here, 3 units. I can see that on there. Whereas over here I see 6. Now my height is up 4 units. My height over here is up 8 units. So that doubled. So this doubled. My height doubled. Now so I'll make sure that from here to here is the same. Over here it's 5 units. 2.5, 2.5, 5. So if we look up here, well, it's 10. There's 5 on this side, and there's 5 on this side. And so essentially, I've kind of like doubled everything up here. And so that's how you can kind of like make sure you're the same one there. Although what I would suggest to some folks, I mean, I'm showing the pentagon here, but if I was doing the homework assignment myself, I probably would have just put a rectangle, simple rectangle. So let me try to make the same shape as me. All right, out here.